You can import fonts from different websites. A free library of web fonts that you can use is Google Fonts. They have a lot of great fonts, and that's what we're going to do in this challenge. We're going to see how to import Google Fonts. So if I just paste in some code up here, this code comes directly from the Google Fonts website, and you can see it's the font family Lobster. So I'm just about to show you how to use that right in our code here. So what I'm going to do is for the H2 element, I'm going to add H2 here, and I'm going to add a font family of Lobster. Now that's all I really have to do for this challenge. If I wanted to, I could add a backup font that would be used just in case the Google font didn't load, like this. I do a comma, and then I can put a generic font that's going to be used if the specific font doesn't load. But we're not going to do that for this. I'm just going to open the browser and see if it works. And you can see we have the lobster font right here.